This salt trick is making waves, keeping me hard for hours in bed. It may sound unusual, but trust me, your wife or girlfriend will be thankful you watched this video. Now let me tell you about someone I met on my last trip. It's kind of funny because I really liked him. He was super cool and everything, but I confess, I wasn't expecting much because of his age. But the next day, guys, I could barely walk. Seriously, this man was 53, and I had to ask him to stop. Okay, he made me get there 7 times. I had no more energy, and he wanted to keep it going. He was super cool about it and told me his secret. He owned a nightclub, and the guys who worked for him used this 15-second salt trick every night so they could handle 3, 4, even 5 clients in a row. It's not something they made up, okay? This salt trick was actually discovered by Harvard scientists. It increases blood flow by 300% in over 100,000 men. This is so real, guys, that even adult film actors are using it to increase their little friends and stay harder and thicker. Now, forget pills and thumps that only cause embarrassment, okay? Just go to your kitchen and grab a pinch of salt. Tired of struggling with your performance? The salt trick has been a game changer, but now there's an even better solution. They've developed Nitrox Pro, a natural formula designed to enhance blood flow and restore your confidence, taking your results to the next level. Get yours today by clicking the link in the description before stocks run out.